Now I've taken the front nut off. I've loosened it. It's 17 millimeter, which is right there. This is a 1/2 inch breaker bar with a reducer that reduces down to 3/8 my socket. This little tool right here that I made handmade is very simple to make. The deal with it is that you can put it on forwards, you can put it behind the tire, in front of the tire. You can have the wood pointed out towards me over here, and with the screw holes, or with the holes, you can take these little bolts and you can put them in one side, the other side. There's 100 ways to do it, but what it does is it holds the variator outside so you can get it off. I noticed that the nut came off kind of easy. Not real easy, but kind of easy. Now what I'll do, since I've got that broken loose, is I will take my little tool and I will go back here and do the same thing over here. All you have to do is line up 2 of the little bolts right here, this one or this one, and you can move the rear clutch bell forwards, backwards, however you want, just so that you can get 2 of these little bolts into the holes here. I'll show what I've done here. Oh, let's see. Excuse me. Now I'm going to pull this off because it's already done. But you can see I've got one little bolt there, another little bolt here, and I managed to fit them in this little outside front of the variator. You can lift the bike up, you can lower it, you can do all kinds of stuff. But this little tool has really helped me. Now I'm going to do the same with the back, and I'll film it. And then we'll take it apart. My wife's cooking some bacon, and I love that stuff. Bacon and sliced real potatoes. Okay, we're going to do the back now.